Yo, what's up? This is the Chubby Cook. We at Capricorn FM right now. Hit me, follow me, and see what we have in store for you. It's What's in the Fridge with the Chubby Cook. Otherwise, how's everyone?
Really cool, very cool. And on your side, guys?
All good. Just that,
great.
you know, trying to keep up with this whole mysterious thing.
Yeah.
I mean, I had to change the quarter menu from scratch.
It must have been a tough one, though, right?
Look, but the transition is good. The
Yeah.
response from the people, hundreds.
So it just
Yeah,
caused
by
you
right,
guys to be
like,
creative.
no, they're like, I'm gonna
People are open to change.
yeah, they're like, Sakisha pulling you down, we like Sadinyaga. It's no day.
You wonder what you've replaced the bolognese and
Mince.
with a mint. Oh,
Got mince, you got your chicken breast cuts. So you like make them in nice, very nice sauce.
You know, mint is actually quite a big thing because
Yeah, bunny chop.
yeah.
Yeah. There's a place called it's in Bonia Drive. What's the name of the place? When you sell bunny chops, authentic. I'm gonna just stay by Shell Garage.
some simple yet nutritional tips here. And of course, we will be taking a peek into somebody's fridge today. Literally looking into their fridge to see what nutritional breakfast could come out of it. Yeah, Chubby Chef has come some tough choices to make today. Kabakalauda, some of the fridges. Not because of what you're going to find in those fridges, because of what you're not going to find in there.
That's fair.
Good morning and welcome to the Immaculate Breakfast.
Good morning, everyone, team. Yes, Kia.
How are you doing?
I'm all good.
I'm great. I'm very excited that you actually going to take us through breakfast options that are polony free.
Yeah,
And
sure. Hundreds.
obviously that has been the talk of the town, you know, and a lot of people have been struggling. This whole week we've been getting messages of people saying, but guys, what am I going to put in my breakfast?
Yeah, sure. Hundreds. I mean, look, it has been, since Sunday, it has been the worst week. But there's just so many options that one can go through.
Okay.
Yeah.
How has it been going in the kitchen though?
Very bad. But then we just had to maneuver around and find good stuff
No, that's
to say.
good. That's
Yeah.
great.
When you say pretty bad, I understand, but I need to understand on a scale of 1 to 10. I mean, 9 or 10 being really, really, really bad. How bad has it been with us?
6.
The polity? 6.
Yeah,
So
6
you
out of
could
10.
make do with what you have.
Yeah, sure. I mean, we always work with what we have in the kitchen. Yeah.
So here's what we have done, right? As the team, we have taken pictures of what's in our different fridges. Please don't judge us. Please, like we ask, please. So if you want to see what's in our fridges, you can hop onto our social media platforms, Twitter and Facebook, that is at Capricorn FM, and tell us which fridge belongs to who between myself, Skumbuzo, Tepo, and Refilo. We are going to put you on the spot at the end of the conversation.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
But getting down to business, what do you have for us today? How do you make it, and what are the nutritional benefits of this type of breakfast?
We have savory waffles and poached eggs.
All right.
Yeah, I'm
Sounds
sure.
fancy.
Well, it's not really fancy.
Tell us
Yeah,
more.
I'm sure the picture waffle mix.
Yeah.
So what I did was I chopped my robot peppers, which is red, yellow, and green, into small bits. I added them into the batter. I had my egg, a bit of oil, and milk. So
And how long approximately did it go?
it takes about 20 minutes to prepare this.
Yeah.
I mean, on the side, you poach your eggs as well.
Yeah.
You know, inside boiling water. So you just stir the water and then you put in your eggs. Don't let them cook
Yeah.
to perfection. It's of an egg. You have high protein, there's less calories and less fat. I mean, you get a significant amount of vitamin D. And cheese, there's just some stuff that you need to, that there's benefits towards them. And you reduce the high risk of liver cancer. It boosts your immune system, and also it prevents tooth decay as well. So yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
It looks really delicious. The pictures will be up on social media. We'll take pictures and we'll put them up also on our individual ones at Giamutlokwa at @sk_mbata. So on WhatsApp 0826542446, send us a picture of your fridge and let's see what's inside. Not only is it about scrutinizing our fridges, we also want to see what's in your fridge. And maybe the Chubby Chef can help you in terms of what you can prepare with the ingredients you already have. Up next, obviously, we are scrutinizing our fridges. Yo, I'm not ready.
24 minutes after 8. Yeah, we did promise you that we are going to post about 4 fridges on social media. Then you gotta choose or match fridges. You gotta tell us which fridge you think belongs to whom. And the Chubby Chef is in studio. If you want to participate, all you need to do is just hashtag Immaculate Breakfast at @sk_mbata, at Giamutlokwa, at Capricorn FM. Facebook is at Capricorn FM. Otherwise, back to the Chubby Chef. Now, have you taken a look at those fridges?
Yes, I have.
You have taken a look.
I
at
see
those,
4
yeah?
fridges. Yes.
4 fridges.
Okay, so which one do you think is mine? Top left, bottom left, top
The
right,
bottom left.
Huh?
The bottom left.
Let me see bottom left.
Because I see Malibu.
So that looks like something I would drink.
Yes.
Wow.
Wow, yeah.
Okay.
Kyo, nugget. That is what.
Okay, you got that right.
Okay. And Suki Frijaki, yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, Tapolia Fif.
Yeah,
That's a good
but now the chubby one.
Yes.
What we need to do, I don't know how many you think you can do. If it's 2, it's fine because I don't think you'll have to go through all the 4 fridges. It might take forever. But if you can do 2,
we're gonna have as a green salad.
thinking on your feet, I can see.
Yes. So I'm gonna chop my spinach.
Yeah.
I'm gonna chop my lettuce,
Yeah.
and also make nice cubes out of what do you call cucumber,
Yeah.
Okay.
and grate my carrots, and add a bit of mustard sauce,
Yeah.
and sprinkle the crushed garlic.
Yeah.
And well, I believe that we can have like a vegetable oil or olive oil. Just sprinkle
Yeah.
it on.
And, wait, the chubby one. There you just wing it. Yeah, it's a matter of you improvising basically.
Yes, I'm improvising.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, well.
Awesome.
And then sweet potato, we just going to cook it normally into slices. We cook it and then we eat it.
So the sweet potato is not going to make it somewhat a heavy breakfast.
No, just bits.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bits.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
So, so I can't make anything out of my fridge then. So that's
Hey,
this is
sure.
what
What
you're
are
doing
this
to me.
this fridge?
So
Like,
this is what you're
honestly
doing to me.
speaking, this fridge.
Oh.
If we were to host like
Yeah.
a young chilazinyana, I'd work with this fridge.
Oh, wow.
You know?
Okay.
But which
But-
one do you reckon was the most to work? I mean, the most difficult to work with there? Of all the 4 fridges.
The top right
Okay. Well, the top right.
fridge.
Okay.
Bona o tle di tap away ka mo tse boro tsa.
Oh, it's all again. Come on.
Ko ra ile polo ne ga namba tsamai.
Okay. So we worked with this.
Yes.
Is this
No,
what
no.
you
The-
worked with?
We worked with the bottom right.
Okay. But the one that I just showed you
Yes.
is full of stuff. And I
It's
thought
full of
that
stuff. I mean,
probably
we have your sweet corn
Yeah.
and grapes. You know, there's lemon juice as well, and fruit juice, vegetable juice. I think it's a beetroot juice.
Beetroot juice, yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's very hard to crack this one.
Yeah.
Okay,
Probably
so-
mine must have been the most difficult as well because I mean I just moved down here, so
Yeah.
I haven't really stocked up on
Excuse
supply.
the type of
Anyway, Chubby Cook, always happy to have you in studio. We can't wait to dig it into the breakfast. By the way.
Yeah.
It looks very delicious. So let's just say people want to follow you on social media to see some of your work as well, and maybe just to send you their fridges, maybe. And,
Yes, yeah.
You know, they must tag you on their fridges so you can help them make meals out of the ingredients they have in the fridge. How do they get in touch with you?
On Instagram, it's at the chubby_cook. Same as Twitter, at the chubby_cook. On Facebook, it's the Chubby Cook.
Okay,
Yeah.
just like that. That's
The
simple.
Chubby Cook.
The Chubby Cook. Find him on social media, tag him on your fridges, and allow him to help you make meals with the ingredients that you have. Rather, it's 29 minutes after 8, and news headlines are on standby.